Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW A70, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to your phone. And to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application right over here. Once it's open, click on those three bars right here, and then navigate into Settings, where at the bottom you will find Import option. Select your SIM card, and this will show you all the contacts on your SIM card. From here, you can deselect contacts that you might not want. And additionally, if you see some contacts that are deselected already and also grayed out, that's completely fine. Those contacts already exist on your phone, and the device is simply stopping you from importing it twice. Now, once you have all the contacts that you want selected, click on the Import button right at the top. This will give you a message how many contacts were imported, and when you go back, you'll be able to see them right over here, as you can see for me. And that is how you can import your contacts. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.